The next option in the list is Type on a Path tool. And it is one of the coolest tools to use. And basically what we gonna do is we are going to again create an ellipse. So now select the Type on a Path tool and click on the edge of the shape. And here you can start typing your text on the path. Now here, as you can see these lines outside the shape, so just click at the line, hold and drag inside the ellipse. So this is how you can also drag your text inside the ellipse. Also, you can adjust your anchor points of the circle by using the direct selection tool. Click the anchor point and adjust. So this is how you can use the Type on the Path tool.